Hello and welcome to our channel Propel Guru. We are back with another tutorial video. In this video, we are going to discuss everything about branding and identity. So without further ado, let's get this started.
Overview of a brand. What is a brand? A brand means an identification mark such as name, logo, symbol, design, pattern, or a combination of them. It is to identify any product or to differentiate it from other products. A brand is a valuable asset to the company and can be said to be a person's impression of an organization. The trust between a company and its customer is a part of the brand. Overview of brand identity. Brand identity is what you can see as an individual. Briefly, if we say it is the company's face, it helps users differentiate between two companies. Brand identity has some specific elements that help in identifying a brand. Few of them are logo, wordmark, different logo lockups, key colors, corporate typefaces, standard typographic treatments, customized style for images, and library of graphic elements. For instance, if we see the logo of Facebook or Google, then we recognize it immediately. It is called brand identity. Overview of branding. Branding is creating a unique name, logo, or product. For instance, Nike has a unique name as well as a unique logo. Similarly, branding has a part called a positioning statement. Every brand has a positioning statement or tagline with which a brand is famous in the market. For instance, we have Surf Excel, the famous detergent brand. The tagline for it is "Daag Achhe Hain" and is the perfect positioning statement. Next is brand strategy and design process. Moving on, let's know about what is a brand strategy and design process. Brand strategy is a blueprint or guidelines that helps the business grow in the right direction. Now, let's know what the design process includes. It is a 6-step process for guiding clients through the process. It includes discovery, research and brand strategy, sketching and conceptualization, revisions, presentation, and delivery and support. If the client needs a brand, what will be the first thing you need to do? The first thing is to discover your client wants, such as what are its business goals, proposals, and more. Next is research and brand strategy. It includes research about the environment in which we are going to launch our brand. It includes researching the industry, competitors, and the history of the environment. Only after this, we step up to create a new brand. Moving on is sketching and conceptualizing. Now, we have done discovery and research, which gives us the right information about the project goals and the launch environment. In this step, we visually show it to the logo, video, and banners. Moving on to revisions. What we do in this phase is we keep on revising the requirements of the client. We keep on modifying the requirements until they're shortlisted. Once we complete it, we show the design to the client. If he is satisfied with the design, then we do the delivery after fine-tuning it. Else, we keep on doing modifications. Moving on, we have types of branding. Here are a few types of branding floating in the market, such as co-branding, digital branding, personal branding, cause branding, and country branding. So, what is co-branding? Co-branding is when two or more brands collaborate to grow the business. Then it can be co-branding. Digital branding is a web, social media, search engine optimization, and driving commerce on the web. It means branding a company over the internet. Next is personal branding. Personal branding is a way if, as an individual, I want to create a brand. Then I have to create a reputation to influence the people. It is known as personal branding. Now we are moving on cause branding. It is known as when a profitable business company cooperates with a non-profitable organization for some social work or a charitable cause. The result acts as a win-win for both parties, as profitable organizations boost branding and non-profitable organizations get a boost in donations. The last we have country branding. The branding done to attract tourists and business is known as country branding. For an instance, you can see the megastar Mr. Amitabh Bachchan promoting Gujarat tourism. He made various advertisements saying Kuch din to guzaro Gujarat mein. Such type of branding is called country branding. That was all about branding and identity.
For more such informative content, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, do hit the like button and don't forget to share. You can also watch our previous video in which we were discussing what is typography in graphic designing and how it plays an important role in graphic designing. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned to our latest videos.